morning. It is Taurus season, so every morning that we wake up, it's a good morning, okay? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kensthetic with the Kensthetics, and I'm here with you guys today with a new vlog. So in today's vlog, we're going to be doing my birthday maintenance. In case you guys don't know, your girl's a Taurus. In case you guys don't know, my birthday's on May 6th, and in case you guys don't know, your girl is turning 28, okay? 20 great, period. So in this vlog, you guys are going to see me get my nails done. You guys are going to see me get my facial. You guys are going to see me wax myself. And just do everything to make sure I'm in tip-top shape. To make sure that I'm celebrating my birthday looking good. Okay, so before we get started with today's vlog, make sure you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on your bell notifications. Give this video a big thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So today is Monday, April 25th. We are T-minus, I don't even know how many days until my birthday. My birthday is basically next Friday. I haven't been counting the days because I don't want to give myself anxiety. But yeah, so I'm getting a facial today. As you guys can see, my skin isn't in the best shape, but we're gonna get it together. Okay, so today I'm going to Cynthia and I have my facial scheduled. We are doing a revitalizing laser facial, so we're gonna do extractions and then she's going to apply a revitalizing treatment on my skin, which is going to help me glow and gonna help my skin be in great health. Okay, so in case you guys don't know, Cynthia is my esthetician. She specializes in skin of color. She has a product line which is called Skin of Science. Whoa, how did I forget that? And I use the products every day. But yeah, so she's in Brooklyn, I'm in the Bronx. We in a long distance relationship, okay? So I'm about to get ready now and head to my facial appointment. And yeah, okay, so I just got to Brooklyn. I'm walking to Cynthia's right now. Whew, the commute. But when I tell y'all the results are worth it, the results are worth it, or else I would not be commuting for 2 hours to get a facial once a month. I'm telling y'all.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave them the drip, they set it up, I got them on it. I bought a new bag, I had to watch, so watch your tone. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. It ain't your car, you just a listen, you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that fire when I'm performing. The back end just came in and out hundreds. Vibes get a little cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she comes. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Juke too hard, no stat too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way, doing all these shows.
Okay, so I'm here. I'm just trying to finish up some work before I go in for my appointment. So yeah, work has to get done, period.
Whenever you smoke, we ain't running. Juke too hard, no stat too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little mind, she been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting paid. Juke too hard, no stat too close. You gon' fuck around and drown off this way, doing all these shows. I've been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little mind, she been on my mind. As soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie getting paid. Every other night another dollar getting made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got pimples in the face. I've been dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your chain, I'll go put another slave.
Hit me with your eyes. I ain't never seen that kind of you. You walking over here, but we didn't win down last with mine. We be talking all night, but I can tell you need to work on you. You like you like you. You be playing sweet, but baby don't you know that cookie street. Stand for me, I wish that you could back it up for me, me like me like me. You know that I heard it all before. Your hesitant is you could give it more. I know you like to you need some more love on me when you don't have to think about it. And I'll be happy on the hour. When you decide you like yourself, love me. When you decide you need some more love on me when you don't have to think about it. And I'll be happy on the hour. I don't have the time to teach you how to love all over again. And let me ask you this: are you giving all that you could give? Once you get it right, maybe just show how much you give. Oh, yeah, like it. You know that I before. You're hesitant, but you could give me more. I know you like to play the silly games.
Okay, so I just finished my facial, babes. The skin is looking good. Hold on. The skin is looking good, okay? I don't know who told me to try to record a reel and vlog at the same time because, baby, now I know why I never do it. It's either y'all get the vlog or the reel. But I did both. I'll probably have to put some clips from the reel in here just because I was more focused on, like, the reel than my vlog. But, yeah, I'm gonna go. Ooh, why is the school bus making so much noise? But yeah, so I'm about to go run some errands now and then head home. So I'll see you guys when I'm getting my nails done or when I'm waxing myself. So as a part of me getting ready to go, I had to like bulk record content so that I have content to post while I'm away. I feel like these lights are so bright. But I just recorded my nude lippies for women of color, and baby, my foundation was too dark. Okay, I went back to my Lancome 500 Suede W and I could have swore I had a tan, and baby, no, it's 50 degrees in New York. How did you think you had a tan? I don't know. So I wanted to let you guys know that earlier this morning I did go get my COVID test, so I'll go ahead and pop in some clips that I did record when I was out doing that here. Hello, we are heading to do our COVID test, which is required for the trip. Oops. So yeah, it's like 8:30 and we're heading to this location in the Bronx to do our test. I'll show you guys. I just want to get it over with.
Name and date of birth?
Kendra 556.
I'm just doing a PCR today, correct?
Yeah, and I'm doing it for travel.
You're with Kim?
Yeah, my sister.
As I told her, what I'm gonna do is that it for you guys, it all depends on how fast the lab works.
Okay.
For you to get back the results in time, okay?
Okay.
Height and weight?
Height 5'3", weight 135.
Have a seat on the white chair behind you. Tilt your head, relax, and breathe. And we're done.
Yeah, that was quick. Thank you.
You're welcome.
So the COVID test is done. I should have my results back by tomorrow or early on Wednesday. I'm hoping tomorrow because we have to fill out a health form in order to get into Panama, which requires us to upload our results. So I'm really hoping to have that back by tomorrow. My mom, my sister, and I all went to the same place at the same time to get our results. So we should all get them back around the same time, I'm assuming. But yeah, so that's what's going on. I still have to pack. I still have to go downtown and do some returns and stuff, but I think I'm just gonna make this vlog me packing and me getting myself together to go. I'm gonna do a day in the life vlog tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna do a day in the life vlog tomorrow so that you guys can see what I do tomorrow. Duh. But I have to run a lot of errands tomorrow and I need a vlog for Sunday, so boom, that's my content right there. Anyway, yeah, so I'm gonna be back once I start, like, you know, packing and everything. I need to clean out my suitcase because it's dirty from when I went to Atlanta. And yeah, so I'm excited. I'm also like nervous. Every year around my birthday I just get nervous because I'm like, it's only 24 hours. Like, I'm doing all of this for 24 hours. Y'all know what I'm saying? That's why I like to claim May as my birthday month, because a day isn't enough for me. A day is not enough for me. I need a whole month. So we're gonna take the whole month of May once again to be our birthday month period, and I'm so excited. 28 is going to be such an amazing year, but we'll speak about that in another chit chat video because I don't want to chat yourself. So yeah, I'll be back once I start packing. Hey guys, it's a May 3rd and I'm currently soaking my gel off my nails and my toes because I have my nail appointments today. So yeah, I have my nail appointments today. I'm gonna wax myself afterwards. I just have to put on gloves because I didn't think about it. Like, damn, I should have waxed myself beforehand. But the good thing is I had done a wax last week because I was supposed to go to Mexico but didn't end up going. So down there ain't too crazy, okay? Down there ain't too crazy, and I ain't even mad at it. So your girl just has to do a little maintenance on the cooch and then that's it. So I'm really happy about that. And then I'm gonna touch up my hair, like recurl the ends. I'll show you guys like what I used to do that. And yeah, that's it. This is a super easy maintenance, maybe because my hair was already done, but my locks are a little older now. Look, 2 pimples on my forehead. Like, who invited you? Who invited you? I'll probably do my mini facial routine with you guys too, so you guys can see that, like how I prep my skin for vacation, so I could be nice and glowy, period. But my locks are a little old now. You guys see they grew out a little, so that's why I did my hair 2 weeks at a time, because I'm like, I need them to look old. I need to be able to do styles. So yeah, that's what's going on right now. Happy May. T-minus 2-3 days until my birthday. My birthday is Friday, May 6th. I never know how to count down until my birthday. Like, do you count the day of your birthday, or do you stop the day before your birthday? Because your birthday is technically at midnight, so it's just like, I don't think that counts. But anyway, my birthday is Friday and today's Tuesday, so. And if you guys want to see how I soak off my gel, I'll link that video up above. But I basically just do a bowl of hot water, and then I put a bowl inside of it with the acetone and soak. Once the water cools down, I go ahead and re-up on the hot water or the acetone, or both, depending on like how long the acetone has been in and if I feel like it's still removing the gel off my nails. But I'll link that video up above so you guys can see more detail. But yeah, hey guys, so I'm heading to the nail salon now. My nails look so tragic, but it's okay because we're gonna get it together. And guess what, your girl has on the appropriate amount of clothes today. I'm so proud of myself because y'all know I love putting on too much clothes, okay? But yeah, I'm going to my regular nail salon, Chris Angel Salon in the Bronx. If you guys are in the Bronx uptown area, want to pop a nail salon that's professional, clean, check them out. I've been going to them for almost 3 years now, which is crazy, but yeah.
It may not mean nothing to y'all. Understand nothing was done for me, so I don't plan on stopping at all. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine. I'm shutting shit down in the mall and telling that girl she the one for me, and I ain't even planning the call. I want this shit forever mine, ever mine, ever mine, ever mine. Last name ever, first name greatest. Like a sprained ankle, boy, ain't nothing to play with. Started off local, but thanks to all the haters, I know G4 pilots on a first name basis. In your city, faded off the brown. Nino, she insists she got more class. We know, swimming in the money, come and find me. Nemo, if I was at the club, you know I bombed. Chemo, dropped the mixtape, that shit sounded like an album. Who'da thought a countrywide tour be the outcome? Labels want my name beside an X like Malcolm. Everybody got a deal, I did it without one. Yeah, nigga, I'm about my business. Killing all these rappers, you would swear I had a hit list. Everyone who doubted me is asking for.
Okay, so in order to get into Panama, you have to go on their government's website and fill out this form, which basically is a health form, and you have to upload your COVID results to it. So I'm about to do this real quick because I have to like upload what they send me, like what the Panama government sends me to Delta's website in order to board the plane. So yeah, I'm about to do this real quick because I just received my COVID results. So I just wanted to let you guys know. I'll put the link down below in the description box, but you have to fill out this form in order to get on your plane to Panama, period. It's me laying down at 8:15. Not packed, like nothing is packed. When I say nothing, I mean nothing. Like nothing. My suitcase hasn't even been rolled out yet, so y'all know it's gonna be a long night. Hey you guys, editing Kendra here. I'm literally editing the vlog right now so it can go up on Monday, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I didn't show you guys me waxing because I didn't wax. but we didn't end up, or we didn't plan to like do any beach activities. I just wanted to make sure like, you know, things were nice and groomed. I didn't have much hair growth from the time I waxed for Mexico. So even if I did wax, nothing would have came off, because literally I had like a 1/16 of an inch of hair. That's 1. 2, I didn't record me packing because we were planning to leave for the airport at 5 and I woke up at 4:30 and literally just threw stuff in my suitcase off the top of my head. And I think that's it. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this maintenance slash B-Day maintenance slash vacation prep video. The Panama vlog should be up on Wednesday. So this video you guys are going to see on Monday. Panama vlog should be up on Wednesday, and then on Friday I'm gonna upload a Panama travel guide. So I'll give you guys more details about everything from the COVID test to where we ate, what we did, what do I think about the trip, the country, all of that. That'll be up on Friday. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little taste, you know what I'm saying, just a little flavor so y'all could prepare yourselves to the fire content that's to come. I know that my last few vlogs have been super, you know, short to the point, but I have you guys with some long length content coming soon. I have a few more trips coming up too. So as far as like packing and stuff like that, you guys will see that in future videos. Sorry that I couldn't record it for this trip, but baby, your girl needed to rest, okay? After I recorded the last clip of me saying like, you know, I didn't pack anything, I went to sleep. I was watching Ozark, and then Ozark was watching me, and then I was in a deep sleep. My mother had to wake me up like, it's 4:30, what are you doing? So yeah, that's what happened. Birthday trip vlog loading. I hope you guys are ready. Panama vlog, it's gonna be super lengthy, so I hope you guys are ready. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, turn on your bell notifications, comment down below, let me know, are you hyped for the Panama vlog? Because I got y'all, okay? I got y'all. And drop a comment, thumbs up, subscribe, bell notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Phone.